Here we are at a clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Marisa.
Okay, my dear. Now, what brought you down? Because I know you brought your whole family.
Mm-hmm. A lot of things.
Okay, this is the cool thing. How many boys do you have?
6.
6 boys, okay? And she looks this good. So obviously she's taking care of her health. And your hubby is down here, your brother's down here. Okay, good.
My kids. Some of my kids.
Because you're choosing a totally different type of health care.
Mm-hmm.
What got you thinking about natural health care?
No answers, just medication, no concrete. Why am I feeling the way I'm feeling? Even though I might look good for my 6 kids, but I was feeling horrible inside. Anxiety, chest pain, lower back, the mood swings, mostly the anxiety. That's what got to me. Couldn't have a normal life or even take care of my own kids, my 6 kids that broke my heart. So I had to find a different route, and I'm so thankful and blessed to be able to find this doctor.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Well, it's cool because you figure anxiety, stress, depression, those are features of the gut and the brain, and the body only has 2 switches, stress or regeneration. Mm-hmm. And you chose regeneration.
I definitely did, and I feel way better. Way better.
Think of this. This is a mom. So getting the mom to guide the family. They're the heart and soul of a family. Every one of your kids is going to start to be raised with a whole different view.
Well, I hope so.
Help doesn't come from a bottle.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So hopefully with this, we're leading our kids to this route, and not so much just throwing a pill or aspirin or Tylenol for pain relief. So. And
we were talking before the camera turned on that I think I'm too young to be a grandpa, but you are going to be a
I am too.
I think I have a lot more gray hair, but you're going to be a grandma soon.
I know, in 2 weeks, if God's willing.
Oh my God, that's cool. Okay, and so I know the kid will be brought down so we can get him checked out, or her checked out.
Her. After 6 boys. Finally a girl. Yeah. So exciting. Yeah. She'll
be really good at baseball. And,
you think so? Yeah.
Well, your kids are amazing. Uncles, yeah. So when you look at it, raising a kid, getting a kid, in our world today, there's certain medical interventions that are forced on children. Mm-hmm. And you don't do that.
No. Unfortunately, I learned towards the end, and I did vaccinate my older kids, but my youngest is not vaccinated, and thanks to you. I followed you since then.
When you're choosing any medical procedure, look at the risk-benefit ratio. What's the benefit of the procedure? What's the risk of the procedure? Mm-hmm. What's the science behind both? And then you decide individually. It's called informed consent. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, what a great concept that you decide on your own healthcare. Mm-hmm. Okay, how did you come up with this? Because, I mean, this is a radical different approach. And then you get a mom who's responsible for 7 lives because, you're running your hubby too. He's a great guy. Oh my God.
Oh, well, I don't know. I just feel like it was God just speaking to me. And then I kind of was back and forth whether I vaccinate my last child. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm going to search up on social media more information about not vaccinating. And then you popped up. And that's when I started following you, since I was pregnant with my 7-year-old. And then I kept following you, and then started watching your videos. And I'm like, you know what? I think he's the one that's going to cure me. And I was right.
All I did was remove the interference, and her body's actually designed to live here, so her body heals itself. And that's the fun part. Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of those videos, they have to be put on our private site because of the censorship thing going on now. But do the research. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Be like Marisa.
Yes, don't hesitate to come, like, seriously. Every time I hear somebody have an issue, I literally just tell them, go with Dr. Bergman. Go with Dr. Bergman. He's going to cure you. And they're like, okay. And I'm like, stop holding it off. Just go.
There is a solution.
There is.
I mean, your body, and we don't work on symptoms. Symptoms are a fire alarm, anxiety, stress, back pain, neck pain, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Symptoms are never the problem. They're always a fire alarm telling you that there's an underlying issue.
Exactly, yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's cool. Take care of yourselves. God bless you.